So check it out. Not too long ago I featured some Marx 21 diesels in a video, and one of them that I'd been working on was this dummy unit. Someone had cut a groove here. They were trying to make their own coupler, obviously, and then also they'd messed up the war bonnet, so I was able to clean that up. I used some Model Masters yellow that was almost pretty much a spot-on match to what Marx had done, and then I used a black Sharpie to fill in any of the black areas missing. And I used a Mark C7 collapse plate to make the little arm and cut a knuckle coupler off a K-line car. And so I got it the right height, and also the powered unit had a one traction tire on it, and I was able to get some more of the non-geared side wheels machined for a traction tire. I put them on the non-geared side because the geared side of this motor is the ones that have the gearing on the flanges. So give me a second, I'm going to hook up the dummy unit and then we'll take them all for a spin. Okay. There we go. And then we'll hook up the powered unit. And we'll back it up. And here we go. I can't get over how big Marx made these. It's probably the only true O-scale locomotive that they ever made. And with the two traction tires and as heavy as they are, they'll easily pull these cars. And this time around, I think we'll pick the camera up so we can follow the train around and look around the layout a little bit. And with the camera back down, I'll try to do it as smoothly as I can. Alright, runs nice, runs smooth, certainly has a lot of power. I know I have to be careful because it's got a vintage motor that was only designed to haul 3 or 4 cars, and I'm got about twice that many, but it seems to be doing okay. It doesn't seem to be running hot, so I'll just be careful that I don't hook it up to more than what the motor was designed to handle. But thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.